Hi Year 1. Today we have got a science challenge for you. I have hidden a material in this box. On the front there is a riddle. I'm going to read it to you and then you are going to have to investigate and find out what material, what object is inside this box. So first of all, let me read the riddle to you. I am a material. You can squash me, you can bend me, you can twist me, you cannot stretch me. I am waterproof, I am opaque. What am I? So there are some words in that riddle that we do know. Like waterproof means it does not soak up water. We know that opaque means you cannot see through it. But there are other words, squash, bend, twist, stretch, that maybe you don't know the meaning. So first of all, before we start investigating, let's have a look at those words. So the first word we have got is squash. So squash means to squeeze something with force so that it becomes flat or changes shape. So I've got a plastic bottle here. I could try and squash it. Just take the lid off. So I'm squashing, really pushing down, and it's kind of going flat. I think if I pushed hard enough, if I squashed hard enough, then it would change into a flat shape. I've then got the word bend. So bend means to change a straight object shape into a curve without breaking it. So I could get my piece of fabric here, my cloth, and I could bend it. Look, it's now in a curve. First of all, it is straight, it is flat, and then I can bend it, I can curve it. Okay. Then we have the word twist. Twist. And this means to make it into a curling shape. Let me show you. So here I have a piece of paper and I could try and twist it. So I've twisted it round into a curling shape. That's what twist means. The last word I've got is stretch, and that means to make it longer or wider without breaking it. So I could use my cloth. I'm trying to make it longer or wider. So there's the shape. It does stretch a little bit. I'm trying to make it longer. First of all, look, you can see here's normal, and then stretch it out. It is now longer. I could try and pull my bottle to make it longer or wider, but no, so the bottle can't stretch. So now we know what those words mean. We need to do an investigation. I'm going to show you with my three materials, plastic, fabric and paper. You're going to be testing some different materials and I'll show you those later. So you are going to have a table that looks a little bit like this on a sheet, on a piece of paper. I've had to make my own on my whiteboard. So the first one we've got says plastic. So I'm going to get my first material, plastic, and mine comes in the shape of a bottle. And I'm going to do each of those new words, new verbs, to this bottle. So the first one says squash. Can I squash it? Yes, I can squash it into a flat shape. So then, I give it a tick. I can do that. So that's good. That's what the riddle said. You can squash it. So is there a plastic bottle in there? Don't know. Let's carry on. So the plastic, can I bend it? Yeah, I can bend it. So I can put it into a curve shape. So I tick it, I can do that. Can I twist my bottle? I can't put it into a curling shape. No. So that one I put a cross because I cannot twist it. Can I stretch my bottle? Can I make it into a longer or wider shape? No. So in the riddle, it said that the material that is hidden inside, you can squash me. Yes, for the plastic bottle. You can bend me. Yeah, it can do that. The material is looking for something you can twist. No, we can't twist the plastic bottle. So we know that plastic is not in there. Okay, paper. Let's see. So get your material and try and do the 4 new verbs to it. So squash. I suppose I could squash it into a flat shape. So yeah, let's give that a tick. Can I bend it? Yeah, so there's a straight shape. And I'm going to bend it, put it into a curved shape. So yes, I can bend a piece of paper. Can I twist it, put it into a curling shape? Yes, I can. So let's tick it. Can I stretch it? Let's see, let's make it flat again. Get it into its normal shape. So stretch means to make longer or wider. No, that's not really working. So let's go back to the riddle. Does the paper match what it says here? You can squash me. Yeah, I've got a tick. You can bend me. Yeah. You can twist me. Yeah. You cannot stretch me. Now look, I put a cross, so maybe it is paper in there. There are 2 more things though. I am waterproof. Is paper waterproof? I'll let you decide. And I am opaque. Don't know about that one. Let's see what the next material is. So we are going to be testing fabric. Let's have a look. I'm going to do those 4 verbs to my material. Can I squash the fabric? Can I put it into a flat shape? I mean, it's pretty flat already, so no, don't think so. Can I bend the fabric? So it's flat. Can I put it into a curve? Yes, that's easy with the fabric. So give it a tick. Can I twist the fabric? Put it into a curling shape? Yep, certainly can. That's usually how you get all the water out. And stretch. Can I make it longer or wider? Yeah, I can. I can see that I've got this shape and then it just goes a little bit wider. It's not super stretchy. So tick. Now I know that we are looking for something you can squash, bend and twist. Oh, well, we can't squash fabric, so I don't think it's fabric in there. Now, you are going to find a sheet in your learning pack that looks like this. At the top is the riddle, so you can read it and find the words that you need. And then down this side are the materials, just like I had on my whiteboard. You need to go and find some tin foil, that's the material metal, some cling film, that's plastic, some cotton, which is like a t-shirt, some wood, maybe you've got a Jenga block or some building blocks at home, and then rubber, so go find an elastic band. You are going to test those 5 materials and see, can you squash them, bend them, twist them, or stretch them? When you've put ticks and crosses in all of the boxes like I've done, then you need to think, is it waterproof? And is it opaque? The riddle says that it is waterproof and it is opaque. When you've worked it out and your ticks and crosses and your waterproof and opaque match the riddle, then write at the bottom what you think it is. I think that there is inside the box. I'm not going to tell you now what's inside because then you'll cheat. We will let you know on the next day of your distance learning. So make sure you read it carefully to find what's inside our box. I'm going to read that riddle one more time for you. I am a material. You can squash me, you can bend me. You can twist me, you cannot stretch me. I am waterproof, I am opaque. What am I? I'll give you a clue. I can pick it up so it's not too heavy. Okay. Good luck. You can send us in photos of your sheet, maybe write us a sentence about what you think is inside the box, and we will let you know on the next day's distance learning. Good luck, and we'll see you soon.